this piece back right on top of the fan. And as you guys can see, slide this piece back in its spot. There's that notch right there. This guy right here, once you put that piece back, you try to push this notch back on its spot. You just like push it down. Get it all figured. Actually, it goes back from underneath. Bring it up. There you go. That's how that goes, and then you put the big guy back on top. Grab that out. Here we go. That's how that goes, and then this big guy goes back. This guy. Put back the cables in. It's just like a finger. You put it back there. Spot goes back to its spot. Now we got a bunch of screws to put back. There's one right down there. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Let me zoom in for you. It's right there. Right there. You put that one back in, and there's like one screw right there, and a couple right here. One right here, one right here, one right here, and there's another one right there, and there's one right there in the back. And we put back this fuse box right on top, and then the cover.